was time for the test drive, so I'm holding up the scanner and mechanic is looking at it from time to time.
Хорошая прямая такая.
Yeah, by the way, you can call this guy if you need any Land Rover service.
Даже компрессор слышно сильнее почему-то, чем раньше.
Да, это потому что у нас защиты нету. Крышки декоративной нету, этой штуки нету, сюжет туда.
А, понял.
Весь саунд идет.
Может туда не ставить? Так прикольно. Здесь налево. Я еще ни разу не ездил на пассажирском за ним.
Слушай,
прикольно.
состояние, конечно, да. Охуенный герой вообще. Сейчас вообще шепчет. Ну этот какой-то, я не знаю, по приемности что ли. Я сколько катался, блин, спорты что-то так, не так мощнее. Причем я педаль-то не топил вообще. Процентов 40, наверное, педали нажал. Сейчас момент ощущения бука.
So now his final part is putting back some radiator plastics and hooking up all the wirings and pipes, so make it the way how it was designed, so everything sits on its place.
Я, кстати, на хомутик вот поставил эту клипсу. Как ты говоришь, чтобы порядок был.
Now time to put decorative sound shields to make the engine work more quieter. I'm not gonna go with the first time, it's kind of the pain in the butt to put them because it's very tiny environment, but with experience you can do that, or if you put more effort.
Нет, не здесь. Ну, откуда она? Ну, вообще не отсюда, это не должно быть.
Here I'm filming some video even for myself if I'll need to do any job on it in the future.
Так, не просто хреначить ее, да?
Вообще, блядь, ну, потому что здесь этот спорт. Ну, такой вот. Да. Между рамой и двигателем все узенько так. С одной стороны, хорошо, когда узенько. Ну, блядь, не в этом
Но не
случае.
всегда.
Но не в этом случае.
Ну, это типа как защелкивается там, да?
Да, ну здесь вот немножко. Немножко вот здесь вот. Все, вообще по фэншую стоит.
Yeah,
Вот эту штучку.
making final connections.
Чик. Все, вообще. Дома.
Завод.
And installing the filter boxes to its place. Connecting all the wire harnesses. Now putting everything back together and discussing how well the engineers of the Land Rover did everything the way that it just kind of the constructor like plug and play, and definitely they put the peace of mind while they was creating the engine bay design and the elements, how it connects to each other. So the mechanic really likes that engineering of the Land Rover. Now it's time to finally connect this plastic intake manifold to the place where it's gonna sit. Finishing the assembly and celebrating this repair with another set of the nice pizza. Okay, first morning start. Started right away. Okay, overall the car looks and sounds and drives okay. And this repair was done on 222,495 miles. Yeah, by the way, just read the error codes, and there is 0 error codes, which is good. The engine sounds right, so it's already fan starting, running. The thermostat are open. Yeah, the engine sounds right. So I think we can officially say that this repair is done. So and here is all the parts which is left after this tune-up is done. So what we have here is the valve cover gasket, the metal gasket between the supercharger and intake, some other gaskets from the valve cover, the supercharger gasket, that middle pipe, the plastic between two heads, plastic pipe. So this is the main one, which is one of the reasons why I'm replacing it. This one of two of them, which can cause the failure. Okay, also oil cooler radiator pipe, 8 spark plugs. Here you can see the condition of it. So this is the PCV valves. I already show it to you, just will show it to you again. Another second pipe which is connected to the first one, I show it to you. And another one, this one I don't remember from where, but we put the brand new one. And this is the non-original water pump which was installed. Nothing wrong with it, but just decided to install the brand new one, the original one. And this is the what left after the the fuel injectors service. And this is the number of the kit. Then we have some spark plugs and all the stickers from the parts, which I pull out the trash box, so maybe you will interested what the parts and what the part numbers was used during this repair. So you can see it here. I'm pretty sure that's the, if not all, but almost all of them is on this video. Just a nice set. So, and this is the how the two pipes was connected. It looks like someone was messing with it before. This is the model number of the original pump, and that's the model of the supercharger gasket, lower and upper part. As you can see, the job is done. We started this job on Monday after like 5 p.m. and we spent time 3 days, actually 4 days, but if we had the compressor we can complete it within the third day, like from 5 p.m. to 9-10 p.m. We were working, I was assisting, and right now I'm driving the car, and it's really nice and smooth. I really feel like the car has the second breath, and it's has the way more power, and it's very very smooth. So I would say this tune-up is really worth its time and its money. And with this tune-up, right now I'm more confident in the car. So I know that plastic pipes which might fail anytime is replaced ahead of time. The fuel injectors was serviced, and there is less chance they're gonna leak fuel and damage the piston. Also, the set of the new spark plugs, new water pump, what else? New valve cover, gaskets replaced ahead of time, so they're not gonna sweat and leak oil in the future. At least the new PCV valves was replaced. All small gaskets and small hoses. Um, so let's say everything which needs to be done, but this by this mileage is done, and right now the car is more confident, it's running better, I really feel more power, and I'm pretty happy with this tune-up. And by the way, here is the resource where you can find the car manuals. Just put your model and number, and you'll see some different topics, and you can find information right here. So here is some update. After a few days of driving this car, you see the mileage is different. So what I can say, the car is feels really nice. It feels the smoother. Like before, it was kind of a little bit rough, but right now I see for sure more stable power delivery, and there is no overheat, no nothing. So that means we connected everything right, and the car just feels really nice, and now I'm really more confident in this car. Okay, this is some small update. If you need the service in Irvine, Orange County, around area, you can call the Max. You can find his contacts in the video. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice one. And also, if you find out this video is entertaining or useful, please give it a like.